Hey guys, I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com. How you doing? Today I'm going to teach you how to play the beginning of River Flows in You by Sang Wong. It's a great piano arrangement. It just sounds really beautiful. I think you'll like it. Let's take a listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the first couple of lines there. So I teach without using traditional music notation, but I do use a notation. It's my whiteboard method that I've used for many, many years. And if you're someone who's struggled with reading notes and you feel like you're talented or you love music, this way will probably work for you. That's usually the formula that people tell me works for them. So, try it. It's worked for millions of people across the world. Maybe it'll work for you. All right, so let's go with bar 1 here. We have an F sharp minor in the left hand, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp. So that's one hand position. So you want to go ahead and get there before you start it. Don't play the F sharp. Okay, let's find the C sharp. Go ahead and get there for the whole thing. And then get there for the D, A, E. That's also another one, D chord. It's actually a D add 9. Okay, but I get there. I 1, then I get there. All right, so the right hand's up here. Here's middle C, the next C, so you're actually up here. A, G sharp, A, G sharp, A, E, A, D. So one little 5-finger pattern is all you need, or 5-finger position. Okay, so you put your hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you must count to 4 inside. Feel those 4 counts or you will rush. We all rush unless we are aware and take care not to. So the next one's a lot the same. The only difference is you have this little ba-ba-bum, the A, C sharp before it. So you just, you get in position. A, C sharp can be with 1 and 2, and then you're off to the races. The next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this one kind of starts the same, but you add a little more after that. The left hand is the same, D, A, E, and you got one extra D here. This didn't have it, but now you have it. On the right hand, A, C sharp, A, ba-ba-bum, G sharp, A, D, A at the end. Okay, so you have ba-da-dun-dun-dun, ba-ba-bum. Here are the groups, ba-ba-bum, bum-bum-bum. Hands together. Okay, that's the toughest measure so far. So what you do now? Well, you've learned, 2, 3, 4 measures here. How many is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's actually 5 measures. But you learned some links in the chain. Now you need to practice that. You spent time in the classroom learning. Now you need to play and do some good repetitions of those measures you've learned instead of trying to push forward. All right, you need to take small bites and digest that before you move on. So let's see if we can play now the first line. All right, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Go. All right, guys. So here's our part 1 that we do for free on YouTube. If you like the lessons, this is just the tip of the iceberg. You can learn the whole thing on WebPianoTeacher.com. You can also download my sheets for that. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Talk to you later.